Okay guys, so here is my Amazon Prime deal that I got. I got the Nespresso VertuoPlus. I'm super excited because I've been waiting for this to go on sale. It came with sleeves of coffee. So here's the sleeves that it came with. It came with, not sure if I'm gonna say this right, but let's try. Audacio, Melosio, and Stormio. We'll see. Okay. So let's open this. Sorry guys, I only have one hand. I don't have my handy dandy assistant or my camera holder. So I'm gonna try to do this as much as I can with one hand. So let's see. Voila! Ooh, okay, so here's the instructions. So it's the VertuoPlus. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So here's the, okay, so the extension cord is connected. Let me see. Oh yay, here's more coffee. So the deal was $98 for the brand new machine and the extra 3 sleeves of coffee. I researched everywhere for this machine and I couldn't find it anywhere under 100 until Prime Day. So I'm really excited I got this. So here's the sample box. I'll open it in a little bit. Let me put you guys on hold so I can take this out. Guys, so here it is. Look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, so I took the plastic off on this one, and then this is the little stand where you put your glass, so you can do like the larger glass, the taller glass. You can do like your little espressos right here, and then this is actually really sturdy. It doesn't look like it, but it is. And then it comes with like the little drain part, and then so let's see, and then let's see it open. Oops, the other way, sorry. Ooh, nice. And then you just lean this back down and it's ready for coffee. So I have to run the water three times to make sure that it's clean and it doesn't have, you know, like the fuzzies. I'm gonna run it with water 3 times. Before I do, I wanted to show you the coffee samples that you get. So here it is. So these right here are the different type of coffees. Sorry guys, I only have one hand today. So the different types of coffee, and then these, the larger ones, are the espressos. So what the machine does is that it reads these. You see these little like these little lines right here? So it reads it. I hope it doesn't. I'm not trying to do it. So when you put it in here, it spins and it reads it, but I'm not gonna do it right now because obviously I don't have water and I don't want to waste it. So I will come right back. Let me fill this out with water. So my water is in, my cup is here so it can run the water, and let's try it. So there's no coffee in there, it's just by itself. It just has to run the water. Okay. It's not that loud. I mean, it's like in the afternoon, so the dogs are barking outside, the plane is passing by, Chico. So it's not that bad, it's not too loud. I also wanted to show you this. This is so cool. It came with the $10 off. So I already signed up yesterday because I was super excited on the website, and what you do is you just sign up to get the pods, or obviously you can go to the store, to the Nespresso store and get them, but here they are. There's the water. Kind of started going sideways, but it's okay. It's the first run, so should. Yeah, $10 off. That's actually really cool. I'm pretty excited. Okay, I thought this was actually really cool. So since it knows that it's its first time, I put the cup in there and I just pressed the start. I thought I had to press start again so it would do the second run, but it just automatically did it, and now it's waiting to do the third one. There you go. So it's doing it on its own. It's cleaning it. That's really cool. So perfect, it did the 3 runs and it stopped on its own. So this was like an orangey color when it's running, and then when it's green, it means it's ready to make your coffee. Pretty cool. And then over here is where the empty ones are at, and then you just toss them out. I think it's pretty easy, so let's give it a shot. I don't know which one I want to try. I'm not sure if I want a decaf or I want a regular. Let's see. Okay, so here you go. I already put some fresh water, and I'm gonna try the medium one. So here goes that. Drop it in there. Top down. Ah, so excited. And go. I already have my almond creamer waiting. I don't know if I'm gonna need the creamer because it already has crema, but we'll see. I like my coffee semi-sweet. So you see the layers right there? So here's the coffee, and then all this is the crema. Oh, so good. There you go. Does it automatically go back? Let's see. Oh, perfect! Yay! That's so cute. Okay. So, let's taste it. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to do this off camera because, like I said, I only have... Ooh, it's actually really, really thick. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I might just need like a little bit of stevia instead of my creamer, but let me see. I'm gonna try to do a selfie. Let's see if I can do a selfie taste. Okay, just added some almond creamer. Guys, this is heaven. I wish you guys can try it. Leave me a comment, I'll send you guys some. So until next time, bye guys.